Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within the Cuphead game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cuphead game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, go into the middle option, which is the options menu. From here, you will need to go into the fourth option, which is languages. And now this will show you the various different languages that are available. You can press the left or the right arrow buttons to toggle through the various languages within the game. Once you have found your desired language that you wish to play the game in, you can press the confirm button to apply your changes. And now you can go back and start enjoying your game within your selected language. And you may switch it at any point of time if you wish by going back into the middle option. And from the fourth menu, you can choose your desired language once again by using the left and right arrow keys. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on the Cuphead game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.